Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add URLs on your LinkedIn profile. You can add your website URL, you can add your WeChat URL, you can add your email URL in your LinkedIn profile. So how we can add the URLs in your profile? So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, if you really like this video, please hit the subscribe button and motivate me. So let's start with the video. So here we can see this is my LinkedIn profile, and now we have to first I need to open my profile. So just click on this down arrow button on me and click on view profile button. So it will be bring you the next page, which is your profile page. Okay, it is loading. Yeah, it is loading now. Yeah, I have to go again because I don't know some internet connection problem here. Okay, so it is loading now. You can, it is loaded. Okay, so here you can see this is my page, profile page of LinkedIn. So in order to add your website URL or any other URL, you have to add, click on this pencil icon, which is edit option, and then it will be open the new pop-up window, and you have to just scroll down and click here this profile your website email. Just click on it, and here you can see you can add website. You can select the website type like company profile, blog, RS, portfolio, any. In website I have just add GitHub account. Okay, so you can, if you have add like company profile like youtube.com, just select your company profile. Okay, if you want to add another account, a website, you can add from here. Okay, like just select personal okay, I will select blog. So here you can add maximum 3 website. And now here you can see add your phone number, you can add your okay, so you can add like Twitter or any WeChat ID also. You have to just copy paste WeChat ID, just click on other. I just write WeChat ID. You have to copy paste your WeChat ID, then select others, and here you have to write WeChat ID, WeChat profile, whatever. And just if you want to supply you have to apply and then save, and you can see in your profile. Just refresh it, and here you can see your detail of your links in contact us, your website, company, blogs, and this is WeChat profile ID. Okay, so you can add email also in there. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.